Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, you will learn how to create the backup job for Huawei ECS instance in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. To back up Huawei ECS agentlessly, you need to add the host first. Just click Resources, Virtual Infrastructure, Virtual Platform, click Add. Enter the credentials of the host. Click OK. Click License to finish configuration. Go to Cloud Backup. Click Backup. Select Huawei ECS. Select the backup destination for it. Select the backup strategies. You can select full backup, incremental backup, and set up schedules for them. Also, there are other useful strategies like throttling policy, data storage policy, retention policy. Choose the transmission strategy. And advanced strategy. Click Next. Just submit the job. Let's start the job. The backup job has now been completed. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.